Hello my dear students, so this question came in JAM 2020 and this is question number 13 section A. It is of 2 marks question. So already JAM 2020 पे बेस्ड कई सारे क्वेश्चन हमने कर चुके हैं, इसी वीडियो पे ऑलरेडी वो अपलोडेड है, यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. सो टिल देन इसको भी कर लेते हैं. ये क्या क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि suppose that S is the sum of this convergence series. So summation n equal to 1 to infinity an जो है वो S है, sorry not Sn, this is S और एक convergence series है. ओके, सो हमसे क्या पूछा गया है कि अगर Tn equal to an plus an plus 1 plus an plus 2 है तो summation यहाँ पे गायब कैसे हो गया ये an इक्वल टू दिस वन. सो आई वांट समेशन n इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी tn क्या होगा. तो जरा इसको सब्सटीट्यूट कर देते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होना चाहिए. n इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी n इक्वल टू 1 टू इन्फिनिटी, दिस समेशन इज रनिंग फ्रॉम tn, value of tn is an plus 1 plus an plus 2. okay, so let me write this one like this, n equal to 1 to infinity an plus 1 plus summation running from n equal to 1 to infinity an plus 2. okay, so it is okay. I think you all know what it is. इसको कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये this is nothing but s. okay, plus now you see it is starting from n equal to 1, so it will start from summation a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5 and so on. So can I write like this, if n equal to 0 to infinity an plus 1 plus a1 minus a1, can I write like this? Obviously yes. And what about this second summation is running from n equal to 1, so it will be an a3 plus a4 plus a5 and so on. So I want a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on. So for that what I will do in the similar way what I have done here, in the similar way I will write a1 plus a2 minus a1 plus a2. okay, so I hope you all understand why I have written this one. okay, so if you see this one, this is your s plus, now this will make the summation running from n equal to 1 to infinity an. okay, isn't it? Can you see this? yeah, minus a1 plus, and this will make summation running from n equal to 1 to infinity an minus a1 minus a2. yes, so it will lead us to s plus, this is nothing but s minus a1 plus, this is again s minus a1 minus a2. it means 3 times of s minus a1 minus 2 times of a1 and 1 time of a2. so this is the final answer, and this summation t will converge to this. so 3s minus 2 a1 minus a2. let's check out. this is the option number D. the option D is correct. okay, so I hope you all understood this. so thank you so much for watching this whole video. don't forget to subscribe the channel for more related videos. thank you so much.